In 2004, one of the deadliest natural disasters on record struck Aceh, a province on the northern tip of Indonesia's Sumatra Island, with full force. The tsunami left more than 200,000 people in the province dead and another 500,000 homeless. Those who survived found their lives unmanageably altered. Family members were lost and homes and livelihoods destroyed. Aid organizations from all over the world poured into the area, offering emergency food, shelter, and medical care. Grameen Foundation realized that long-term recovery depended on restoring the livelihoods of the survivors. By providing credit, microfinance institutions can help poor women to start or expand tiny businesses. Grameen Foundation provides funding for microloans and technical support to these institutions, allowing them to reach more poor people more effectively. In 2005, Grameen Foundation began collaborating with Mitra Dhuafa, a local microfinance institution. The first branch in Darussalam district, Banda Aceh, then opened. The branch began to provide microloans to women in the affected areas, which enabled them to start or restart their small businesses and increase their household income. In 2007, the American Red Cross partnered with Grameen Foundation and Mitra Dhuafa to further expand microcredit throughout Aceh. As a result of this support, 6 more branches were opened throughout the affected areas of Aceh province. In the 4 years since Grameen Foundation first partnered with Mitra Dhuafa, their microfinance services have benefited over 13,000 families in Aceh. Grameen Foundation and Mitra Dhuafa continue to support the Aceh community to ease the pain of the tsunami tragedy and provide the tools needed to rebuild their lives.